Shangshak Deng Nopal NH102A Rashungda Mikhavai United Senior Citizen Forum na ngakawhaira. Aman teolagay na bit kasali ningka krik pong shokhaira. International Liret Pamli Illegal Religious Structures Malay nga Mikhavai Union Home Minister da District Official Pingli Zizami haira. Kayakha ator aja Tangkhul Express Pvt about Ringyaophi Ningshen ina pami dalei. Paubing may saina nganang rumsa. Shangshak to Dengnopal Road NH102A Dender Process Ling Sunda 43 Pungyar Kendrawi United Senior Citizens Forum USCF na Ninga Creek Pong Shokhaira. Shongfu wuivang pits kathali sanction costly diong may car kathana project chui quality gala safety li sazahaura gaji USCF na hanghaira. Maram wuivang infali press kazipam da forum chui kathana David Zimik na Ministry of Road Transport and Highways mort we project approve kasali welcome kasa pongshoka. Ka annual plan 2024 to 25 azingli luba 429 crore project ngasagi kachi wuivang firms trada kanina bid kasali lowest bidders luba 227 crore mang ina quote sahay dalei kachi hang sanction cost eina 47.2% swikata kaja 202 crore kada swidada bid sada khalei mavakapei maning mana Ot kasali sa zahaura kaji forum jina ningka krik pongshoka. Shongfuji National Highway sada mikhavai kasangka ngaraira haira aman teolak ina katha bingli ot ji mihaya ka project chui quality safety li zakshilak ina sa zahaura. Kawung magada panga kadali serve saki kaji project ji zatwaki kaji atam wuivang la sa zahaura da zimik na hangsanga. Bits kasali underquote mikhavai forum jina construction firms pingli ngakawhaira. Kala sanction cost li ngarai chada maning akha chui meda kot kasa bidders ping mangli otchi mi mikhavai authorities li ngakawhaira. Hili thakta yang sang kami ngakawda National Highway Standard kashungkhavai project ji retender sakhavai USCF na mort kala state authorities li pohaira. International Liret Pamli khalei illegal religious structures machutkwida paidakhavai Union Home Minister Amei border areas with district official pingli zizami haira. International border eina kilometers thumra walungli khalei illegal structure khalei khwitwing sakhavai zizami haira. Illegal structures chi sensitive abam pingwi demographic profile ngaje khawai deliberate design na the Home Minister jin hanga. Shana gahang jirada encroachment kaleji national security direct threat ngasaklagada vibrant villages program workshop li kamatwili border kawungli demographic ngajeda kale khangachaina ra kashok maningla ngaranda kashok na gachi shana hang matin haira. Illegal construction maleilak ina khorum shim katha sem kagaji border communities with social balance ngaje khawai kala ngalei with security interest compromise sakhawai ninghaina sem kagana da hang sangam hiwi maramli sakla kahai enforcement leng sakhawai district collectors pingli hangaira. Manipur dishot maramli tribunal na thaiga khui phongkhami jili Churajanpur we internally displaced person ITPS nala makamya pongshokhaira. People's Union for Civil Liberties PUCL na phongkhami independent inquiry report chi makamashung mijangasa report na chihaira. Mangol nganpi relief camp li banda khalei kalam Churajanpur Meite United Committee we co-convener sadakle IDP nabam ningthojam thna maramhi aya Manipur Press Club li paume bingli pongshoka. PUCL report chi IDP bingli jay kakhuri mai shikhangasak nada ningthojam na hanghaira. PUCL report li du shot chi 2023 kharam kathum li haupoga gajila mamashung manada ningthojam na hangam. The short kongazar jowe mangali haupo kahaina da hangsanga. Kon Kazar 2023 Khaying Magada Shinithang Churachandpur Li Jim Sakakhyang Kala Town Alungli CCTV cameras Shauka Khai Eina Hauka Pokna Churachandpur Mayday United Committee Co-Convener na Hanga Khaying Magada Jigothang Tingapali Idapau Pakhangpa Korum Shim Sakhyang Kami Ochot La Shoka Kaji Hang Sanga PUCL report chili makamya pongshokta displays shimkurbing we experience li yangmichingda mavakapei mijang gasa chan mahang jithelu the right body jili pohaira Churachandpur Meitei United Committee li organization phanga Meitei Society Manipur Churachandpur Meitei Youth Organization Churachandpur Meitei Victims Group Churachandpur kala nubi samaj Manipur hiping hizanga Now bingwe Aadhaar mandatory biometric update MBU atam chada sangsa khwai UIDAI na worship pingli ngawau haira worship li ga national bingwe mandatory biometric update status Aadhaar wuivang unique identification authority of India na Department of School Education and Literacy li ngashik chi wuivang unified district information system for educational plus UDISE application shijinda kadamnao thingnam thingwe Aadhaar MBU sakhamina Aadhaar li MBU atam chada kasahi naushinau jingkum phanga atam ni darkar sai kala jingkum trada phanga kagaina akashi salushit phalungra hi Aadhaar li naushinau bingwe biometric data mashungda lengasa khawai kasanaji mandatory biometric update Masarang gaji Aadhaar number 17 crore gada leifuya da hanga. Update sang sakhawai maram wuivang MBU camp li mikhavai CEO UIDAI Bhuvnesh Kumar na Union Territories kala State Pingwe Chief Secretaries li kapiwa haira. Manipur eina kadamnao thrada Nathum Teacher Coordinator ngasoda Indian Space Research Organization ISRO Headquarters Bengaluru li Vahaira. Atum Northeast Students Program for Awareness, Reach and Knowledge on Space NE Sparks 2025 li Zangda Khalei. Team G Aya Imphal Airport eina zadda Bishnuwar Kumukchand Tambak Shongwi School Additional Director of Education SV Gala Kapung Shongwi School Additional Director of Education Dangmei Manglem Anina Flag of Samia Kadamnao Bingji Imphal West Kakching Gala Chiripam District Eina Zangda Ibodon Sana Higher Secondary School Imphal We Lecturer Lisam Jideshwari Devina Ngaso Zatale Nisparks program thi ISRO Bengaluru NESSC Shillong Planning Department of Manipur kala Education Department School Manipur na rungmida ngaran khamina phe kachang we direct magada shini na hapokta thumra aina tangda katamnao bingji ISRO Bengaluru we kashok kazang wayang kakhui samphangra Chile senior scientist pingli khanga san sampangda India we cutting edge space research Satellite technology kala space application maramli first-hand experience sampangra. Sami da kalahi khanoi thotli space science ningasang kasad mikhavai kasana. Ang ranangye wuivang northeastern state avuvu eina kathema science kadamnao akali ISRO li wayang khawai abong khami kasana. Athumna akhum eina wamamanda khaying eina thuida khayon eina dangda than babaji khawai ngarandale. Manipur Films League mikhavai Governor Ling Kauhaira, Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS with Secretary Sunju Bajas Padimayum na Governor Ajay Kumar Palali Sampangda Manipuri Film mikhavai Paikar Kwikami Pohaira. Bajas Padimayum na Palali Raj Pavan Li Vasampanga. Raj Pavan Janba Athishuda Secretary Jina Governor Li Film Society Jiwi Kashok Kazang Hang Jithai Manipur with Film Heritage wuivang Sadakale Maram Rakhra Promotional Project Ping Kala Manipur State Film Award MSFA Maramla Pajithaya Manpower Khavat Infrastructure Hakasang Dakar Kasa Kala Second Ekoiki Imphal International Film Festival EIIFF Makho Kamili Sang High Financial liabilities leida khalei maram phai jithaida governor na yang sang khaming kaw haira Assam Medical College li Center of Excellence sada machut mi haira Dibugrali khalei Assam Medical College and Hospital AMCH G Rare Disease with Center of Excellence sada Central Shokarna Chishat haira Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare with notification CMO na Jithaimida Machut Samgapangjina Assam with Healthcare System Mangavada Khalei Jithaya Hangam National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021 with Azingli Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India na Assam Medical College and Hospital Dibugrali He Center of Excellence for Rare Diseases sada recognized Sahira Gaji Hangsangan Mizoram li Myanmar National Tingmagada Chiko Langda Pamdale Military Go Eina Tuishot Kashokli Yam Gaga Myanmar Nationals Tingmagada Chiko Mizoram li Ngayin Kuidale Gachi Home Minister ke Sabdangana Ayahanga State Jew Assembly Monsoon Session li Sabdangana Gahang District Administration Saikorana Myanmar Eina Ngarabing with Biometric Enrollment Hapokaira Kajang Hiwi Direct Trada Akawi Eina Tangdawi Machine Atishurda Myanmar Nationals Ting Magada Chiko Hangmadida Truk Mizoram Lipam Dalegaji Home Minister Hangan Sabdangana Kahang Sender Shokarna India Myanmar Liret Ngavai Pinkavai Sadale Wuivang State Shorkar Border Road Organization BRO Kala Assam Rifle Di Ngasanda Sadale Mizoram Myanmar Liret kilometers Shapanga Apat Tharakada Maruma Kala State Jewish Civil Society Organization La Kadam Naulong Ping Young Mizo Association YMA Zangda Liret Ngavai Pin Kavai Sender We Kangaran Chile Mamayamana Myanmar National Pingji Mizoram We District Trada Aka Baidali Pamdale Myanmar Now Pingji Chungmai Twida Jampai District Li Ting Trada Katum Shapanga Kada Ngayin Kuidale India with 2030 CWG bid Sakhavai Cabinet na Mayamida Abam Ahmedabad na Jamai Twira Chihaira 2030 Commonwealth Games Sakhavai India na bid Kasaji Union Cabinet Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Thanda Ayam Mayami Haira World Class Stadium Cutting Edge Training Facilities Kala Lungsan La Kahai Sporting Cultural Wuivang Commonwealth Games Chi Ahmedabad li Rung Khami Jamai Kapra the Cabinet na Ngazek Hairan Tuidaki Indian Olympic Association IOA na Expression of Interest li Kamaya like Highway Tili Karana Commonwealth Games CWG 2030 Wuivang Pit Misang Kavai Ministry of Youth and Affairs and Sports na proposal Misangda Giaya Union Cabinet na Miami Hairagachi Press Information Bureau na Pongmia Latluida Ajawi Kamataya Pauping Shangshak Deng Nopal NH 102A Rashungda Semngasa Kawai United Senior Citizen Forum na Ngakaw Haira Aman Teolagay na bit kasali Ningka Creek Pongshok Haira International Liret Pamli Illegal Religious Structures Malay nga sa Kawai Union Home Minister na District Official Pingli Zizami Haira Ajawi Pao Hilinga Jang Haira Pao nga nataklay Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi kalakhamhai Zimikshong sa Serenum